Let me ask you this. If you fall into a black hole, where can you eventually reach? This is an interesting question that even makes the world's famous scientist, Einstein, to think. Let's find the shortest distance between two places. A straight line? It's actually a wormhole. Based on Einstein's research, a theory is put forward. Einstein-Rosen Bridge. It states that every black hole is a portal to another parallel universe, which means if you enter a black hole, you can then exit from a white hole. Let's find more about the black hole first. Black hole is a mysterious invisible eater in the universe who has an extremely powerful gravitational force that can trap everything, even the light. If an object crosses an event horizon, which is a boundary that once objects cross, they can never escape. They'll fall all the way into the singularity. That is the point where the curvature of the space and the density is infinite. However, there's still no actual proof of whether the singularity really exists or not, just like the divide by zero question. A white hole is opposite of black hole. It doesn't trap matters but throws them out. Their event horizons prevent things from coming in. Check this experiment out. Water coming from the tap will hit the surface of the sink, and a water disk is formed with the wall surrounding it. This wall is like a white hole's event horizon. Things you create inside of the disk can spread out, but the things you create outside can never go in. Similar to the myth of the singularity, we can't prove the white hole's existence. I believe we can find more about it in the future. To conclude, a wormhole is a combination of black holes and white holes. There are more than billions of black holes in the Milky Way. If we enter a black hole, we might come out from random white hole. Unfortunately, either the black hole and the white hole is a one-way path. You will use infinite amount of time to fall into the singularity but never reach it. Scientists actually thinking of making one, but it is unstable tunnel after all. Gravity is always trying to close the gap between them. Thus, we need a matter with anti-gravity property, exotic matter. They have negative mass, so they can repel the power of gravity. By now, the wormhole is still in sci-fi. Our universe is a humongous place, and it is still expanding. If we can find a way to make the wormhole possible, hopefully, our interstellar travel is not a distant dream.